Hi everyone, thanks for joining Let's Talk with Shayna. I'm Shayna and today I'm going to walk you through how to use your rewards and your pro points. Just to save a little bit of time in this video, I did already log into my account, but if you're wondering how to log in, all you got to do is go to the home page of our website, wowskinscience.com, and in the top right corner there will be a little person icon. You can see here my cursor circling, and you would click on that and you'll see an option for returning customer or new customer. If you've already set up your account, just log in using the returning customer. And if you still have to set up your account, you would fill out new customer. And then just follow those steps there that will prompt you along the way. But since I've already logged in, um, this is what your account will look like when you log in. And what I'm going to do today, just to get my pro points and everything that I need there, I'm going to click on my WoW Pro Points, and it will bring up a little pop-up that looks like this. Um, and let's say I want to use a reward that I already have. So for that, I just want to go to Your Rewards. Click on that and you'll see all the different options that you have. I personally have very few points, so I only have $1 off coupon. So we'll click on that there, and you'll see a little discount code. So for that, you'll just want to copy it, and now you can go and shop as you normally would. So I already have that page up once again just to save a little bit of time. And let's say I'm going to go buy a shampoo. So I'm going to go to our shampoo section. And let's go with the activated charcoal and keratin shampoo. I'm going to click on add to cart. And once I add it to the cart, my little cart will pop up. If it doesn't pop up, there is a little cart icon in the top right corner there. And then continue to secure checkout. And once that loads for me, most of this is pretty uh, standard, so any way that you would check out regularly. The only difference is once I get here, I'm going to want to apply that discount code that I copied for my reward. So you can see here that it recognizes that I'm logged in. You'll see my account down there. And for that reward discount code, I am just going to paste it over here in our discount code box and click apply. And then once I see it pop up down here in my order summary, I know that I'm good to go check out as normal. Now let's say you don't want to use your reward, but you want to use your points, just straight your points. So for that, you'll see this little sliding bar up here. So 100 points is equivalent to $1. So you would just slide this little blue dot until you have the amount that you want to go towards this order in the dollar amount down here, and you'll see how many points it's costing you in the top. Now, since I only have 150 points, it's not letting me slide because the $1 off is my only option. But once you have that little blue dot where you want it for the amount of points to dollars that you want off on your order, click redeem. And with this, I am getting an error message because I have already applied a reward to my order, and unfortunately you cannot use rewards and points in the same order, which is why I'm getting that error message. However, since I tried to use points, it has now converted itself into a reward for me. So just to show you that there, I'm going to go back. And you'll see now that those points have converted over into a new reward for me. But let's say that you are collecting points and you're trying to work towards something, but you don't know how many points you need to get something like a coupon code, like a gift card, a percent off, things like that. For that, you're just going to want to go to ways to redeem. And you'll see all of the different options of what you can trade your points in for and what you would get in return. So you can kind of see what milestones to work towards. Of course, if you're checking out and you don't see it apply to your order the way that you think it should, always reach out to our customer service line and we're happy to help. But that's all from me today. If you do have any other questions, feel free to reach out again. All right, thank you. Bye-bye, everyone.